wow, 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 ow, ow, ow. I buy a new car for the bitch, for real. I tear down the mall with the bitch, for real. You can't even talk to the bitch, nah. She fucking with bosses and shit.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl MsPreciousMarie, and I'm about to just jump right into this video. So the hair that you see here is from Lionesslocs Hair, and I have the 16-inch closure, 16, 18, 20-inch bundles. Y'all, this is some really good hair. Okay, it's double wefty. You already know this is plus for me. It's full to length. It didn't shed at all, and it was very soft. Like, it's some quality hair. Y'all should check them out. So here I have the wig cap already stretched out, and I have the Nude cap already on top of it. At this point, it's really just glued to the wig cap. I'm not really doing anything with it. I'm just trying to basically get that done and out the way so I won't have to worry about it later. Alright, so now we're jumping into bleaching the closure, and it's very essential, you guys. I feel like in this method you should definitely have your closure bleached. So the materials I'm using is the BW2 bleach powder and the 40 volume developer. Make sure you guys have gloves, because that stuff will burn you regardless. It don't matter. Don't even try to attempt to do this without no gloves, because y'all, I'm telling you from experience, it's not going to work. So if you're new to bleaching, the only thing I can really tell you is the more powder, less liquid. Make sure it's thick, because if it's not thick, it will seep through the lace, and you do not want that. Period. It's not gonna be good for you. Okay, it's gonna be hard to really hard to fix it. Alright, so basically at this point it's super easy. All you do is spread that bleach on like it's butter, okay? Like butter on toast. Just don't use a lot of pressure. Use a very light hand. You don't want the bleach to seep through the lace. Alright, so now that I got everything spread out on the closure, I'm just going to take this piece of foil and wrap it and leave it for about like 15 to 20 minutes to let it process. So I washed the bleach out with the Shimmer light shampoo. I'm sorry that I cut off the image, and it basically just tones down the brightness on the closure, and your closure should look like this. It should look like scalp, okay? You see how good it looks? It just looks seamless, and that's what you really want. Alright, so now we're going to basically sew the closure down. So don't even worry about the wig cap right now. Like right now, you're just going to sew it down like you would normally do if the new wig cap wasn't even there. Alright, so here now you can cut off the excess new wig cap. You don't need that anymore. Alright, here basically you're just gonna sew down the tracks normally like you always would. And I already sewed down the first bundle, so I'm finna sew down the rest of them. And yeah. So I just want to let y'all know that this method, honestly, I feel like people should do instead of the other method, you know, with having to basically glue down the actual nude cap onto your head, because this makes it more like easy just to do with your wig. You can easily take it off and put it back on without having going through the hassle of gluing it down on your head. Like, it just makes so much sense. It's definitely easier, and like, the more convenient the better. That's how I think of it. Okay, so boom, here I just flipped the wig over and I cut the excess black wig cap off, and I'm just exposing basically the lace closure at this point. That new wig cap needs to be attached to the lace. So what you do is take the Got To Be Glue free spray it down. You don't need a lot, blow dry it, and boom, like technically the wig is done at this point, y'all. Like, you're done. You have succeeded if you reach this point. Now we just about to pluck the hairline, you know, manipulate the hairstyle a little bit, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, it's not hard at all, y'all, for real. Like, it looks complicated, but it's not, I promise y'all. All right, now for my favorite part. This is the Mousse styling foam, and it basically just molds down your hair exactly how you want it to be. So just wrap it up with a satin scarf after and blow dry it a little bit, and you're all good. You're all set. After this, I'm gonna just flip the hair over, put that concealer on. You know, you don't have to use a particular concealer. You can use foundation, you can use pressed powder. Like, it don't matter. Whatever you put on your face, put it on there. Make sure it's your skin tone so it can blend, and you good. Spray it down with a little freeze spray to keep it in place, and the wig is finished. You're done. Like, you're done completely. We're done. Ooh, do y'all see that? That looked like a scalp, like a real life scalp, like on somebody's head, like for real. Like, I was really shocked and proud of myself. I ain't even gonna freaking front. I surprised myself sometimes. So at this point, just cut off the excess lace and just put your wig on. Alright, so boom. Hey y'all, that's me. So I have on a wig cap, which is definitely optional. I just need something to basically get my hair out the way. So I'm just going to prop the wig on, and you're going to see. Voila. Boom. See how natural it is? And I ain't even really like actually brushed the hair out yet. Like, it's just so good. Like, I love this method so much. And this is optional too. I was just doing that because I had on makeup, so I had to like blend it a little bit more. Y'all, that's it. Like, You see, I really put on my wig in like 2 seconds. I didn't do anything else. And yeah, you guys, I will have everything in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, the whole 9, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.